Hey guys, welcome to my 2024 to 2025 demo reel. Don't forget to sit back, relax, and enjoy the whole show.
Everything, as it begins, eventually comes to an end. The adventures we share, the people we share them with. Sometimes we may feel lost, searching for something. But if we look to the horizon, sometimes a faint light appears, and we set sail to the very corners of the earth. One last